What's up YouTube, it's Sean here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a product that was sent to me a couple days ago. So I don't know if you guys have heard of them or not. You may have probably seen their photos on Instagram for example, but the product is called Drysteppers, and basically what this is a protective plastic bag that you wear over your nice shoes to protect them from bad weather and from bad outside conditions like rain, snow, and mud. So they come in this translucent plastic pouch. It opens up like so with this snap of a button, and then there's this label on the front. So these are available online at drysteppers.com. They retail for a price of $19.99 USD, and they come in a wide variety of designs. So the two sets that I got were the Yeezy 750 and this all over elephant print. Aside from this, they also have other designs like the Concord 11s, the NMD OGs, and the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. So as I mentioned earlier, basically what this is a water-resistant plastic bag that you can wear over your shoes. So the entire upper is constructed using this plastic material and has a very distinct plastic smell to it. Beyond this though, all of these do come with a zipper that allows you to zip this up and down, giving you easier access into the Drystepper. And found at the very top, there's these draw cords that allows you to tighten or loosen up the opening of this Drystepper to customize the width of your foot and your leg. At the very bottom, they have this sheet of black rubber, and it has this texturized effect found throughout. This is to ensure that you don't slip when you're wearing these in wet conditions. So this is a very interesting concept. I can see myself putting a pair of these in the car on those days where it's sunny in the morning, you wear your freshest kicks, and then all of a sudden it's like a hurricane outside. So in the case where it's an absolute emergency, then yeah, I can see myself needing these. Of course, this isn't going to be for everyone. If you're the type that says shoes are just shoes, they're meant to be worn, they're meant to be destroyed, then these are going to be probably no use to you. But if you're the type that really likes to take care of your shoes, and you're really careful not to get them wet or not to get them in contact with mud or anything like that, then this is definitely a product that you want to consider. So once again, a huge thank you goes out to Drysteppers for the hookup. If you are interested in this product, you can grab them at drysteppers.com, once again for a price of $19.99 USD. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and give me a follow on my Instagram as well at SGO8. You can also check out my website, which is now up at seango.ca. So until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next review.